Hey guys, today I got a cab high Leer 100 RCC contractor unit. Fits the 09 to 18 Ram 5.7 bed and the 19 to 23 Ram Classic body with the 5.7 bed. It's a PX8 crystal black is the color on this, so it's kind of like a metallic black. Probably gonna look black in the video, but in the sun it's got some metallic in it. Got a little chip right there. It's in decent shape. It doesn't have a whole lot of issues on it. It had a ladder rack on it, looks like at one time, or a luggage rack, but that is not there anymore. Just the brackets to mount it on there. Small scratch right there. Got a scratch right there. Probably from taking the top off, the racks off. Small scratch right there. Yeah, right there. It's got a chip in the paint on the corner. That's just dirt there, I think. Yeah, that's just dirt that comes off. A little bit of a scuff there. A couple chips in this bottom edge. Looks like they had set that down. This is dirt too, looks like. Set that down on the ground so it tends to chip up the paint when they set those on the ground like that. So it's just some minor chips on the edge there. Let's have the cargo door on the side. It's a decent shape. I don't see any damage on the cargo door. T-handle opens up. Has a toolbox on the inside. Has one shelf with 2 dividers, so 6 compartments. This guy's put purple carpet in it, so keep your tools from rattling around. It's in good shape. Looks like took good care of it. The inside of the door is carpeted. This one has bolt locks, so it means it's keyed to the truck that it was on. Should be able to have some hoping to have some replacement bolt locks for this. So if you wanted it keyed to your truck. Front end has some wear on it. Looks like it was probably pushed too close to the back of the cab, or maybe it was on a truck that it didn't fit. So it's got some wear where it's rubbed on the paint of the back of the truck. Paint looks good all the way through here. Small chip right there under that. And then we go to this scratch here also. And we go here, we got a wear mark where it rubbed against the back of the cab on this side as well. A little bit of chip on the corner. Bottom edge on the front of this looks good. No major damage on the front edge. Typically don't have any damage on these anyways, right here from the front. Sliding window in the front, so the window slides open, allows access inside of the cab from the cab, and the cab from the cab. Seals back up. Small chip there in the paint. Looks good down through here. Oh, looks like I got a small little chip right there. A little bit of a scratch right there, probably sliding up on the rack. I don't know, looks like a little paint chip or a little blemish in the paint right there. I'm not sure what that is. Bottom edge on this side, not too bad through here. Let's have a couple chips right up there and there. I'm sure the same thing. That's from being set on the ground. People take these off, put them on the ground, and don't put any protection underneath them. It chips the paint up. Door's in good shape. Painted the same color. Opens up. This side has one shelf with 1/2 divider, so it gives you a total of 3 compartments. Purple carpet on this side as well. Got carpeted door panels. The single T-handle locking rear door. Let's have some paint chips right there. Couple right there. A small crack, stress crack right there. Nothing real major. Paint looks good through here. Down through here, looks really good. Until we get to the bottom edge right there, it's got a couple spots. Back door looks good. I'm not seeing any damage on the door at all. Inside is carpeted. The toolbox is there. Wiring harness. There's the serial number right there. There we go. There it is. Got a cab high Leer 100 RCC contractor cap. Fits the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 2500 with a 5.7 bed. It also fits the 2019 to 2023 Ram Classic bed, classic truck body style with the 5.7 bed. PX8 black. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for a unit to come in, match color, bed size, or something like that, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in, so you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.